Eastern Peripheral Expressway, facilitating the sacred journey of the Kanwad Yatra. In the holy month of Sawan, millions of devotees embark on a sacred pilgrimage known as the Kanwad Yatra.
Om Mrityunjayaya Rudraya Nilkanthaya Shambhave Amruteshaya Sharvaya Mahadevaya Te Namaha Namastestu Bhagavan Vishveshwaraya Mahadevaya.
Rooted deeply in Hindu mythology, this yatra holds immense spiritual significance. It is a time when devotees carrying sacred water from the Ganges journey to offer it to Lord Shiva in their local temples. This act of devotion symbolizes purification, faith, and the eternal bond between the devotee and the divine. However, beyond its religious importance, the Kanwad Yatra presents significant challenges. With millions of pilgrims on foot, the yatra often leads to congestion on roads, especially highways. The sheer number of participants combined with regular vehicular traffic can create a precarious situation. History has shown us that even a minor accident during this time can escalate into tensions, disrupting public peace and leading to serious consequences.
So Kanwad Yatra is the biggest event of North India and it has got a potential to disrupt the whole region. So we at NCREP have decided to take a lead to address these steps proactively.
Understanding these challenges, the Eastern Peripheral Expressway (EPE) has taken proactive steps to ensure that the Kanwad Yatra is both safe and seamless for all. The EPE's initiatives are designed not just to preserve the sanctity of the yatra, but also to maintain public convenience and safety on the roadways. Major Kanwad Yatra routes: Sultanganj to Deoghar, Gangotri to Deoghar, Gangotri to Varanasi, Haridwar to Deoghar, Haridwar to Varanasi, Haridwar to Gomukh, Haridwar to Bagpat, Haridwar to Rishikesh. Major highways used in North region: Pipeline Road, a popular route for pilgrims walking on foot from Loni border to Niwari, NH 709A, NCR Eastern Peripheral Expressway NE2, Western Peripheral Expressway, Delhi Meerut Expressway, a major route used by Dak Kanwadiyas who travel barefoot with relay runners in trucks or bikes, NH34 via GT Road, a route used by many Kanwadiyas. To enhance visibility during dark hours and poor visibility conditions, reflective bands are being affixed to the pilgrims. Along with this, safety briefings are provided to make them aware of the precautions they need to take while walking along the expressway. Safety is further reinforced through the broadcasting of FM jingles, spreading awareness about road safety during the Kanwad Yatra.
NCR Eastern Peripheral Expressway के सभी यात्री कृपया ध्यान दें.
Additionally, announcements are made through public address systems installed at all toll plazas, including interchange toll plazas, ensuring that both pilgrims and drivers are continuously reminded to stay vigilant. To reach as many people as possible, flyers and pamphlets are distributed at all toll plazas, alerting users to the presence of pilgrims and advising on safe driving practices. Awareness messages are flashed on variable message signs (VMS) and integrated user information displays (IUIDs) across the expressway, ensuring that drivers are constantly aware of the pilgrims and road safety protocols. At all entry toll plazas, EPE staff inspect the rear illumination of vehicles, affixing retro-reflective stickers on the rear side of those requiring enhanced visibility. This measure is crucial for preventing accidents during the night. To further emphasize safety, large flex banners have been strategically installed at highly visible locations on the expressway and at all entry toll plazas, reinforcing the message of caution and awareness. In a bid to prevent accidents and ensure smooth traffic flow, big heavy vehicles were strategically put on hold directly on the Eastern Peripheral Expressway. This measure was crucial in avoiding potential traffic jams and ensuring that the movement of both pilgrims and other road users remained unhindered. Apart from round-the-clock surveillance through Advanced Traffic Management Control Center, Incident Management Teams (IMT), Traffic Monitoring Vehicles (TMVs), and truck-mounted attenuators (TMAs) are actively deployed to enhance road user awareness, providing real-time support and monitoring to ensure smooth and safe traffic flow during the Kanwad Yatra. The Eastern Peripheral Expressway remains committed to facilitating this sacred journey while ensuring the safety and convenience of all road users by balancing religious devotion with public responsibility. The EPE exemplifies how modern infrastructure can harmoniously coexist with age-old traditions. Eastern Peripheral Expressway, building a nation, not just roads.